Jai Shri Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita. And how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I am going to discuss with you a question, and the question is that, ma'am, I want to start how to speak in English fluently. I want to start speaking English. So please give me some tips, tricks, and methods, and please tell me how to start. Is how to start speaking English in a simple way, because I am a learner. So please give me some tips, tricks, and methods. So this is a question asked by my subscriber. Okay, and I think that this type of question, okay, there is a question in so many people's mind, and they want to learn this language very easily. So but they don't know how to start their journey. Okay, so in today video I'm going to discuss with you how to start to speak in English in a simple and easy way. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, my today topic is that how to start to speak in English. Okay, so this is a question. Okay, so first you need to identify your level. Okay, where are you standing? If you are, understand everything whatever I am saying in this video, then this video is for you. Okay, if you are not understanding, whatever I'm talking to you, and you can't understand, you are not understanding, that means you have to do, you have figure out your problem in your way. I'm talking about I'm talking to all those people who can understand English, who can listen, who can understand, who can read, who can write, but the problem is that they can't speak. So this video is for those people who can understand English but they can't speak. They are going to learn this language. So in this video I am going to give you some simple and easy tips which will help you to be fluent in English. Okay, so first thing is that identify your level. Okay, now after identify, you what you need to do to improve your English speaking skills. So first thing is that, everyone know that if you are learning any language, so you have to follow four aspects. Okay, everyone know there are four aspects any kind of learning any language. Okay, so what are they? They are listening, reading, writing, speaking. Okay, so this is a crumb, this is a series. Okay, listening, reading, speaking, reading, and writing. This is a crumb, this is a series. So what you need to do, you need to first thing is that start your journey. When you take a decision to learn this language, then that time start your journey. Okay, what you need to do, you need to just listen some content which is in English. Okay, you don't need to focus any high sounding word content. Choose any simple and easy content that is in English. Listen any, if you are fond of listening music, so you can choose a song which is in English. Okay, and then listen, but not listening is not important. Listen, but same content 10 times. Okay, why I am saying that? Because first time when you are listening, that means only meaning comes to you. Okay, and second, third, fourth, fifth time when you are listening, that means the language come to you while listening. Listening is very important, but listen same passage, minimum 10 times. When then listen it, then till then it becomes a part of your memory and it is fixed in your mind. Okay, so listening is very important. After listening, you need to focus on speaking. Okay, listen 10 times and start to speak out anything. I'm not saying to speak out correct English. No. If you are a learner, then speak out anything which is in English. Okay. What is your motive? Your motive to speak out. Your motive is not to speak English correctly. Okay. Speak out. This is your motive. And when you speak out, there are two benefits for speaking out. First thing is that your hesitation will go away. Okay, and then second thing is that your confidence level will come to you. Okay, so um, listening, then speaking. Third thing is that reading. Reading is very important. Okay, I'm not saying to read any kind of book. No, you, if you really want to learn this language, so read something, whatever, where you are going to go outside in your house and you see many types of posters, many types of things which is written in English, so then read out. Okay, it's very important. Make this habit in your daily routine. Okay, and reading is very important. And if you really want to learn this language very quickly, so you have to read any simple and easy book, and take lower class students book, school book, which is in English. So take first to fifth level English book. Their English is very easy and understandable. You can easily understand what is written in English, and you can easily understand everything in English. Not only understand, you can easily know how to frame a sentence, how to the structure is used, by sentence, how to vocabulary use, how to use noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, a modal verb in a sentence. So you can easily understand, but not in a one day. If you read read consistently, minimum 1 month. After 1 month, you can understand everything. How to organize a sentence, how to ask a question, how to give a answer, how to set a sentence, how to fix a verb, how to fix a subject verb, and how to frame a sentence according to the tense. So you can easily understand everything. Okay, so reading is very important. So there are many benefit while reading. First thing, when you read, so you can understand how to frame a sentence, how to use some vocabulary, how to use some noun, pronoun, adjective in a proper way. Okay, and second thing is that your vocabulary is going to good. Okay, you can immerse yourself in a reading. When you are reading, you can achieve many vocabulary. So reading is a wonderful method. Okay, now we come to the last point, and that is writing. Okay, writing is very important, but not when you are thinking in English. Okay, and you listen any content in English, then start to note down, make a diary, and then start to note down. If sometimes different kind of thoughts come to your in your mind which is in English, then please note down. It's very important. After writing, you can immerse yourself totally in English. Writing is the last point. If you write in English, that means you can understand everything in English. Okay, so writing is very important. So this these are four aspects. So you have to follow each and every day. Okay, make a schedule, make a routine. Okay, I am going to learn this language no matter what. Okay, I will I will arrange my time according to my learning. Okay, minimum 1 hour I'm going to give this language. Okay, and divide 1 hour into the four part, and every part is going to give every aspect. There are four aspects, so you have to give 15 minutes for every aspect. And after 1 month you will change. You will change yourself. You find that there is a new version come inside you. Okay, come in inside you, and you are more confident. After 1 month you will feel you are more confident. Okay, so start your journey with the four aspect. Now, after using four aspects, you have to focus some methods also. So what are some methods? Okay, so first method is that mirror technique. This is a wonderful technique, and most of the learners always used this techniques. I'm also learning, I'm also using this technique. Okay, so how to use this technique? First thing is that take a mirror. Okay, and hang on a wall, and stand in front the mirror and start to speak out minimum when you are learning. And when you are initially time, so you have to speak only 1 minute. 1 minute is sufficient for you, and speak out. Okay, so this is called mirror technique. There is no one who can dominate you, who can demotivate you. Okay, there are only you and you. There is no one. There is no one who judges you. Okay, so use mirror techniques. This is a wonderful technique. And second technique you have to follow on your journey. So second technique is that, okay, shadowing. This is a wonderful technique. Shadowing means imitating. Okay, nakal karna. Okay, if I talk to you in English, then pause the video and repeat my sentence which I have told you. So this is called shadowing. Okay, shadowing means imitating. This is called shadowing. Use this technique. This is a wonderful technique. Now we are going to talk about another technique. So another technique is that record your voice. If I am talking to you in English in front of you, that means I am using a mobile phone, and with the mobile phone with a camera, I record my voice in a video. Okay, so this is called record your voice. You can also use this technique. This is a wonderful technique. This technique you can also call it mirror technique. When I am talking to you in English, so I feel like in front of me there is a mirror. Okay, so use this technique. This is a wonderful technique. Now start your journey. There are so many techniques, but start your journey with some points which I gave you in this video. And then there are so many another technique, but initially time it's sufficient for you. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.